Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. Crypto Patrick here. I hope you guys are all doing good out there today. Today I'm going to do a video about is the market going on a bull run very soon? You know, there's a lot of experts predicting it, and I'm going to kind of take a look at some of the top altcoins and give maybe like my top 10 picks of what coins I think will go along for the ride with Bitcoin and the market cap shooting on up. But before we get into that video, guys, make sure you guys hit that like button if you enjoy these videos. Hit the subscribe button, you know, if you guys want to learn more about crypto, because I do crypto videos every day. I also show you how to Bitcoin mine. In the description, there's BITCLUB network. They actually were just responsible for increasing Bitcoin Cash's recent rise. If you look, Bitcoin Cash has risen a lot. It's almost at $1,300, guys. It's risen like $400 in the last couple days, and they just added Bitcoin Cash to their platform, and they have about 300,000 members, so that's pretty good. Also, I do XRP giveaways, so if you guys comment my videos and put your XRP address and just put a thoughtful comment of where do you think the market's going to go on this video. Do you guys think we're going to go on a bull run? Do you think that the Winkle twins and Cliff High is right, and we're going to see Bitcoin double from its all-time high of 20 grand and get to that, you know, 40 grand by April, or in August they think it get to 60 grand. I mean, if that happens, guys, where do you guys think? Do you think all these other altcoins will come along for the ride? Let me know in the comment down below what you guys think about that. And I also do live streams all the time showing you guys how to Bitcoin mine with BITCLUB network, and it's just a good way to make passive income. You can also do referrals and kind of grow yourself and be more of an entrepreneur. So let's get into the market right now. So right now we're at $430 billion, guys. It's gone up a lot in the last 24 hours. Let me just show you the biggest change of what's been happening here. Okay, so in the last 24 hours we were at $379 billion. Then we climbed up to 419. Then earlier today it was around 417, and it's just gone all the way up to 430. We're seeing like the 24-hour trade volume of 19 billion. A lot of these coins like Bitcoin was like 8,600 earlier. Now it's 8,738. You know, Ethereum is on a little bit on the rise. Ripple has gone up to almost $1. We saw it at a low of 63 cents. I'm still a firm believer in Ripple and where it's going to go, and that's actually one of my coins on the list that I'm going to get into. But first I want to show you a little bit more. Bitcoin Cash. I just want to show you guys what's been going down with Bitcoin Cash in the last 24 hours. We've seen one of the biggest rises ever in Bitcoin Cash in like a 24-hour period, which means that I think Bitcoin Cash is very popular. It's going to be a currency of the future, and a lot more people are going to get behind it, guys, because you know, the transaction fee is 11 cents compared to Bitcoin's $13 right now, and Bitcoin's got as high as 60. Okay, so if you look right here, it was 1,200, and now it is all the way up at $1,312, guys. I mean, it's gone up a lot. Here's the 7-day. I'll just show you the last 7 days where it was. It was at 846, and look at now. It went all the way up to 1,335, and it's still at that 1,300 mark. So, you know, a lot of the coins kind of, you'll see like a little bit of a flat line right here and a steady growth. There's a little bit of steady growing. See all the flat lines that have happened? And that flat line isn't bad, guys. It's just a lot of coins have done this, that we've been at kind of like an all-time high today, showing where all the coins are going. And where is the market going? Let me just show you something on Cointelegraph. So this is why I think it's going on a bull run. So basically, crypto experts predict in 2018 a bull run, Bitcoin to hit $50,000, overall market cap to $1 trillion. My prediction is, guys, you know, I'm not a financial advisor. Make your own decisions. According to Cliff High, according to all these people, you know, when the tax season comes around, you know, the end of March, after this Lunar New Year, that's coming up on the 16th. We still have one more week of the Lunar New Year where everyone has their money out in China. We're going to see, I think we're going to see a steady rise in April to that 800. Maybe I'm hoping by the end of April we're going to hit that $830 billion again that we hit before. And if that happens, guys, all the altcoins are going to come along for the ride with Bitcoin. Okay, so here's what they say. So following a few days of crypto this week, Bitcoin dipped below 7,000 for the first time. Crypto experts have predicted an overall bull run. This is 2 days ago, guys. Experts in CNBC today said that the total market cap of all cryptocurrencies could reach $1 trillion, and Bitcoin itself could hit $50,000. I think it could hit $50,000, but it might drop down, you know, $20,000. I think we're going to hit about $30,000, $40,000 Bitcoin by summertime, guys, at least by August. But it could even happen by the end of April if we hit that $1 trillion mark, which could easily happen. You know, cryptocurrency is getting way more accepted. You know, you can Bittrex, you can use fiat money. You're gonna be able to use fiat money to change into crypto. Bitcoin Cash is getting added to BitPay. All these good things are happening. You know, Ripple's being used by all these different people right now. It's growing. Even the government, an SEC meeting said we're going to do a no harm approach to cryptocurrency. So James, CEO of Outline Ventures and Europe Blockchain Imperator, said, "We believe after February the market will likely go on a bull run, comparative to greater than last year, potentially reaching $1 trillion mark." And I think 1.5 to 2 trillion is the market cap we could see by the end of the year, guys, in December next year. So I mean, if that happens, we are all going to make a lot of money. So going back to this, and before winter sets and the market becomes focused on proper market fundamentals. And then Thomas, head of ABC Business Regulation, Introduced Capital, said there's no reason we couldn't see Bitcoin pitching 50,000 by December. So December, you know, that could be, I think August is when we're going to start seeing that 30, 40,000. That's my prediction. Bitcoin reached a high of 1,300. They kind of just go on and say a few more things. You guys can read about this. The SEC, I just told you about that, said they're going to do a no harm approach. One appetizers for the bull. Well, for recovery, will we release cryptocurrency back instrumented major exchange? They're just saying major exchanges are going to be, major exchanges are going to help push this bull run. Utility tokens and assets working platforms are a clear-cut reason for requiring both blockchain tokens to appreciate in value this year. So they're just talking about how it'll appreciate more. So I mean, that's pretty good. That's a pretty good prediction, guys, right there. So what I think is going to happen? What are some of these coins that are going to come up? Well, let me show you a little bit. So the Lunar New Year is just about to end right now. So I think we're going to see a lot more growth. One of the big ones, guys, is Ripple. Ripple saw a high of $3.80. And Ripple is a really good one because it connects banks. It has you can send digital assets like money globally, and it basically uses Xcurrent. They have Xcurrent and Xrapid, and they're trying to it's a really good utility. Even if you don't like banks, it's like you can make a lot of money. If this currency, I predict, will maybe hit $5 to $7. If we hit that $2 trillion market cap, I think we could see a $10 Ripple. We're at 97 cents right now, so I mean, anything is possible, guys, but definitely a good currency to keep in the future. With Ripple right here, guys, we're at a $38 billion market cap. I think in order for us to see the $10 Ripple, we'll probably have to see, like, I would say maybe like a 1.5 to $2 trillion Ripple market cap. That's what will probably happen. I also think that a 1.5 trillion dollar market cap up here, and that would make Ripple, you know, go up to probably $5 to $7 to $10. Also, there's a lot of use cases like MoneyGram's using it. A lot of companies in China, Lian. There's a lot of good things going down. We'll probably see a $140 billion market cap for Ripple, not 1.5 trillion, guys. I meant the overall market cap. And I think we could easily, you know, it was at 60 cents. That would have been the best buying time. But right now, still at 97 cents. You don't really want to buy in the ups. The market might still correct itself, guys, because we're still in the Chinese Lunar New Year. So, you know, this is one of the ones I think we should watch out for. The next one I kind of want to talk to you guys about is NEO. And what is NEO? Here's NEO. It's been like a top 7 currency. We saw it at $90. Now it's, you know, it was $115 a couple hours ago. Now it's $118. You know, it's kind of been rising a little bit right now. But NEO is basically digital assets and smart contract management. And they basically just make for like a smart economy. And if you look at NEO, I'll just kind of look at it real quick right here. I'll just show you guys what's going on with it. It's $119 right now. It went up another $1 while we were on, you know, just on this, like on this video right now. So the market cap is at $7 billion right now, or is that trillion? It looks like trillion. You know, I think my number's off. So look at right here. So we have a million. Yeah, so 7 trillion. I mean, there's a lot of money put into NEO, guys. 100 million in supply, so relatively low supply. Trade volume is at 217 billion. Basically, NEO is pretty good because you can earn other crypto with it. So basically, if you ever heard of the cryptocurrency gas, it's another one. You can basically stake NEO and start earning gas with it, which is pretty cool. And you can do it in your NEO wallet. And we've seen a high of NEO. I think it was like 198 was the all-time high, but here's gas is about 30. I think it's like 30% less than NEO, 30 to 40% less than NEO. But here, let me show you guys where NEO's been actually. Let's just look right here on the global charts. I'm going to kind of just give you guys an idea of where this can go. So let's look at the 3-month. That's been like a good predictor. So there's an all-time high right there, guys, 168. I'm pretty sure it got to like 190. So there's 180. Yeah, 187. This may be a little bit bullish, guys, on this, but with this market cap and potential, I think we could see a $70 billion market cap, not a 7. You know, that could be like 10x potential. I mean, there's probably like a 3x potential in the near future when the market cap jumps back up, you guys. So I mean, I think this could be like a 3x opportunity, maybe at the end of Q3, Q4. You know, I wouldn't swing trade this one. I would keep it around for the long term. I think we could easily see, a lot of people were predicting that we could see a $1,000 NEO by the end of 2018, which would be really, really good, guys. So if it hit $1,000, that could be like a 9x opportunity. These are all opportunities I'm going to tell you guys that I think will definitely go up when the market goes up. So all these coins that I'm going to go over right now. And, okay, looking at the next one. And I think for NEO too, it's kind of like an early stage Ethereum. In 1 year, we could see like, I think we could see a big explosion with it. But yeah, I think NEO is definitely something to keep an eye out for the future. And the next one I want to show you guys right here is the Binance coin. I think Binance is the superstore of cryptocurrencies. We know that Binance was down for a little bit and the market kind of stopped. They have about 15% of the overall cryptocurrency market, which is pretty crazy. I think like 2 to 3 trillion in trade volume. In this whole 20 trade volume, they do like 2 to 3 trillion in that whole trade volume every day, guys, which is crazy. Not the Binance coin, but the Binance, you know, just Binance exchange overall. They have like a huge effect on the market. So basically, it's like the superstore for cryptocurrency, and they have about 190 cryptocurrencies. For you guys that don't know, I think they're trying to scale right now and let more people get registered because that was a problem. They do the most trading volume out of any cryptocurrency. You know, they're kind of they're going to be the superstore for all like the cryptocurrencies coming out. And one good thing about them is like I think right now we have about, if you look right here, we have about a 969. Yeah, like $1 million market cap. I think this is going to be a $10 billion market cap, you guys, by the end of 2018. I think we're going to see about $100 a coin when we hit that $2 trillion mark, maybe by the end of this year. I think this Binance coin will go up in value because Binance is such a good utility. Their exchange is so good for day trading. It's so good for everything. We've seen an all-time high of $25, guys, so $100 price estimation is a really good estimate, I would say. They're going to take on more clients. They got a relatively low supply. Look at, they have 99 million in supply. Low supply, total supply is 197 billion. It's not like $1 billion. So, you know, with the low supply, guys, they can do pretty good. I would get this thing and hold up, forget about it. This could be Binance coin is a 10x opportunity. There could, you know, maybe in the next, at the market cap, if Bitcoin hits that, you know, in 2023 and like does what those twins were talking about and cliff high, and they say it might, all these people are saying it might go to basically $250,000, then we could see Binance coin, you guys, easily 20 to 40x in itself. Not even that $100. I mean, it could go to like 1,000. It could easily go to like $1,000 coin. I think you know, the Binance coin is probably. I need to do a whole video and dedicate myself to the Binance coin just to show you guys how much potential it has. But there's just a whole bunch of potential here. It's the superstore of cryptocurrencies. And the next one I'm going to show you is, you know, we went over Ripple because I think Ripple will be good. I think Bitcoin's going to be good no matter what, guys, just because looking at Bitcoin, I did a whole video on this earlier. You know, all-time high was 20 grand. I think it's going to double itself. Just for all you people watching this video right now, I mean, we're at 8,000 right now. A lot of people are predicting that if we had a $2 trillion market, that Bitcoin would be about $80,000. So, I mean, it could like, you know, that's a 10x opportunity. But I think realistically, we're going to see Bitcoin to 30 to 40,000. I think it's going to double itself every year. You know, Bitcoin's the store of value. It's going to be like the gold standard. I think Bitcoin Cash is going to be right up there too. But yeah, Bitcoin's another one I'd put on that list as an easy opportunity with all these, you know, Cliff High came out with reports saying it. He's been right about a lot of predictions. So that's a good one. I would say the next one on my list would be Funfair. And this is like an online casino. Funfair is pretty cool. It's like an online casino gambling. You know, it's all about online casino gambling. And you can basically make your own casino. and you get paid in these currency tokens. It had an all-time high of 20 cents, and I think it's a 3x growth opportunity, possibly even 15x into the future as people are doing more gambling online. And I live in Las Vegas, so this could take out the the gambling industry, but still, like, it's got a big opportunity. It's got a relatively low market cap of $280 million. I think this could get up to about the $5 billion mark, guys. And looking at it right now, it's at 6 cents. It was 3 cents. Now it's 6 cents. It went up. This coin went up 3x in 24 hours, guys. I think I could show it to you on here, but I mean, it went up a lot. And this is one reason why I think it could do really good. So it's 3 cents to 6 cents. And that was in 24 hours. Let's see if I can see it on here. Yeah, look right here, guys. So here's this. I don't know if we can see it on this one, but I think we need to do the 7-day. Let me see if I can show you on the 7-day right here. So 3 cents to 6 cents. 3x opportunity. If you put $500 in that, that would be $1,500, guys. I mean, so Funfair has a lot of opportunity. This could be a $5 billion market easily. If that happens, then we're going to see a lot more growth with it, which is pretty crazy. And for 2020, I would say this in 2018, this could be like a 15x opportunity. And I think it's a solid project. There's a lot going on with it. So Funfair is one I would put on the list. The next one I'm going to talk about is Tron. And Tron, I believed in Tron for a while. It's a decentralized internet. It's a decentralized web for content creators, and they go through the blockchain. They publish and store data. It's like self-government. They release this like CryptoKitties thing. They say the Justin Sun is like talking about going to space, and he's getting all these partnerships. There's a lot of hype around it, but we can make a lot of money on Tron because I think it's a 3x opportunity easily, guys. Because right now it's 5 cents. And all-time high was 30. If it goes back up to that 30 when the market cap, I think when the market cap goes up, this is going to go along for the ride. We saw those one twins. I forgot the guy's name, but like we saw one of the main these huge investors say that like any cryptocurrency, not just Bitcoin, being in any cryptocurrency, you're going to gain as long as it's a good utility because just being in the race means you're going to profit from this market. This overall market right now is such a hot market. The stocks aren't, the hot thing right now. So I think this could easily go back up to 50 cents by the end of the year. I'm hoping Tron will get up to like $1 or $2 in the future. But I think easily we could see a 50-cent Tron if Bitcoin starts going up to like $30,000, $40,000. So, keep this in your, this might be a 3x opportunity, 4x opportunity in the next few months. I'm hoping it could go up to like 5 to 6x. Maybe even 8x, You did 8 times 5 is 40, That's be 40 cents. So, I mean, we could see a huge opportunity on here. You guys can make a lot of money. They're doing a lot of acquisitions, a lot of partnerships. It's a solid project. So that's one to keep an eye on. The next one I would take a look at would be Wax, guys. And Wax sells in-game items like, say World of Warcraft, you buy skins. It's for gamers. They're trying to make this online digital store. They actually made this thing called OP Skins. And I think this is a 7 to 8x opportunity. It's at 35 cents right now. We have seen Wax, like I'll show you guys how high it's been. So, I mean, there's been a lot of good things happening with Wax. It's at $172 billion, or $172 million right now. So a low market cap. I think we could see $100 million market, or 100 I'd say easily a couple $1 billion market cap easily. Wax is a solid project. There's a lot going on with it. Probably 7 to 8x at least, guys. Like that's what I would say. Let me see if I can get the all-time high for you. I can just show you like where it's been. All right, so look how high Wax has been. $267 or $2.76. It's at 35 cents right now. So when the market cap comes up, this is an easy one. With gaming, we all know how popular it is. It could easily go up again. The next one I like is a Steam coin. Steam coin's really good, guys. At $4.43. Everyone uses Steam it. You get paid in tokens. There's just a lot going on. It's a blockchain reward systems that monetizes content. I think this is a 2x opportunity easily. We can see like their all-time high. Let's see, their all-time high right here of $8.20. We're at 4. That's a 2x opportunity right there easily. I think the market cap, it could be like in the future, this could be a $15 to $18 coin. The all-time high, we could hit this in the next couple months easily. Steam coin's just a really good coin. I really believe in the Steam coin too. I think this could be good. So basically, every time you comment on the Steam platform, you basically earn Steam, and you can fund new social networks. 2018, we could probably see a 5x opportunity. In the short term, I think it'll be about a 2x opportunity. So that's a good one for all you guys watching this. Also, Dragon Chain. I think this Dragon Chain's a good one. The all-time high was I think it was like $5. I look back on here. Let me see if I can get it. Yeah, about $5 on January 9th. Kind of dipped off with all the other coins. And why is Dragon Chain good, guys? What's so special about it? Well, there's a lot going on with Dragon Chain, and basically it's Disney made, and I think this could 4x, guys. I think this might be a long-term hold where there's there's even maybe a 6x opportunity on here where we could hit a 9 to 10. I think we could hit $9 to $10 by the end of 2018. And I think there's a lot of potential. It's $1 right now. So, I mean, if it gets to $10, that could be a 10x opportunity. We're seeing this huge, it has a big supply of, or $433 million supply, 238 million circulating. So, I mean, it's not too bad. The really low market cap right now, guys, not even in the billions yet. It's at 389 million. There's a lot of potential right this. They have a really good team of all these people from Disney involved. And one of the great things about a coin is when you know it has a good team, you know it could do really good. Next coin I want to talk to you guys about is, well, I think Neblio and Neblius. So Neblio is one I like. And Neblio is a global blockchain for developers, networks. It's an app to deploy your own blockchain. And it's just basically a secure database where they have consistent transactions, kind of for enterprises. And I think Neblio can do really good, and it's at $14 right now. And I forgot the all-time high, but we'll look at it real quick. I think it was let's look real quick on here. Okay, so we saw a high of about $57, and Neblio could do really good in the future, guys. I think this could be this one could go to the moon. I mean, I'm not even going to speculate how much it could do, but I would say this one is a currency to watch out for. Okay, moving along, so I want to get through a few of these ones right here. I'm going to talk about Nebulous, and Nebulous is the Google of blockchain. That's what they're trying to be, and it's at $8.94. We saw an all-time high of $16. I think this could 2x by April when we see the market jump back up to $8.30, and a 2x is still good, guys. It's still a good thing to do. We have the market cap's $317 billion. I think when that $800 billion bounces back, this could easily, I think with Neblio, you can easily pull information from the blockchain, and I think this could come right back. And I got a special guest right here, Sean Logan.
Are we live?
We're live right now. Yeah, so doing this video for you guys live, so my friends come in here too. So yeah, I think Neblius could be a really good one, guys. I think it has a lot of potential. Maybe 10x by the end of the year. So Nebulous is having the Google of the blockchain is a really good one to get into. And there's a couple more I want to get into. And basically, we talked about Binance, we talked about Neblio, Neblius, and I showed you Gas earlier. And since Gas is a part of Neo, I think if you did if Neo is $1,000 and you did 33% of that, I mean you could see a $300 to $500 Gas coin because you stake Gas from Neo, and basically. To get Neo, I think this could easily hit $120, so we could see a 2-3x opportunity on here, guys. And Gas coin is just a good one to keep, watching out for the future. And another thing I want to say about Neblio is probably we could see $100 by the end of the year and maybe a 10x opportunity. And one of the other things I want to talk to you guys about is the decentralizing the internet, where you actually give some of your computer power over. And then you help people places like North Korea and China instead of having a VPN switcher. And it's Substratum. It's at 77 cents right now. But I would buy this. I thought it was going to go down to 45 cents. And I was going to buy this. I think this is a really good utility. I think this one has the potential to go to the moon, guys. And we've seen a Substratum at a high of $3. I think Substratum could go up to $20, $30. I mean, this thing could possibly I think it could 10x, maybe 15, 30x. I think Substratum is a really good project. If you guys haven't seen it, I'll just kind of show you a quick little view of Substratum. But I'm a big fan of Substratum. I think this could do really, really good in the future. Substratum is an open source network that allows anyone to allocate spare computing resources to make the internet free and a fair place for the entire world. You can see how it uses this little application on here. And basically, you just give up some of your computer power. I think it's just a really cool idea. You guys can look more into this if you want to later. And just a couple honorable mentions I want to talk about here is Electroneum. I think Electroneum is a really good one for the future. Electroneum is basically mobile crypto. You can do mobile mining on your wallet. It's like, it had a pretty good run. It's at 7 cents right now. I think Electroneum could go up to like 50, 60 cents, maybe even $1 when we hit that 2 trillion mark. So keep Electroneum on there. Another one is KuCoin. KuCoin, is it's an exchange. It seems like I think this one could do some good things in the future too. Just a few other ones, guys, I would mention would be ARK. So you can look up here. I'm just going to kind of go through a couple of them. ARK is like the blockchain. It's flexible. It's scalable. Verge, it's built on privacy. I'm just going to tell you guys right now. Wax, Waves. Waves is a good one. Vibe. Waves is pretty good because it's like a wallet. It's a decentralized exchange. That one's good. We also, I think Vibe will do good when it goes back up. Vibe is like an augmented reality marketplace. I'm not going to make any predictions on those. Also, Storm could do really well, guys. That has a good utility. These are all ones that have really good utility. I would say Decentraland. Decentraland could be good. Maybe even Poet, which is, Decentraland's, it's like Ethereum based in VR. Poet is like an AI, or it's an API for like content creators. And Poet could do really well. It's like POE. So we'll kind of take a look at Poet. So these are ones I would kind of take a look at, guys, at 6 cents. And besides that, guys, those are all the coins I want to get into. I think the run on the crypto market, it will do pretty good. The Chinese Lunar New Year is kind of ending right now. I'm hoping that we're going to see about $600 billion by the end of March. We're going to slowly get past this $430 billion mark. It's at 438. I'm hoping we'll get up to about, maybe I would hope at the end of the month would be cool. After Lunar New Year, if we got up to 600. And what if we, if we hit that $1 trillion mark at the end of April, that'd be awesome. But I'm hoping at the end of April that we'll get up to about 830 billion again. And then I'm hoping that all these cryptocurrencies are going to double. Like, that's my prediction. Everything else will go along for the ride. That goes along for the ride with Bitcoin. I mean, like, literally all these coins that go up with Bitcoin. It doesn't matter what coin you're in. Just get in some coins. That's why I always promote cryptocurrency mining. I'm a big fan of BITCLUB network, and they use Bitcoin Cash right now. This is BITCLUB network, guys. And I think you guys should all get into mining if you're going to be into cryptocurrency, because you can get paid in this and you can make it your own business. It's like a no-brainer. Like, if you guys get into this pool 1 right here of BITCLUB, you need Bitcoin Cash to get in. So if you don't have it, use Coinbase. Can use this exchange right here and convert your Bitcoin into Bitcoin Cash. Send over $600 and join the biggest cryptocurrency mining pool in the world. And basically, you can get it right here for $500, guys. You can join this pool, and you can potentially mine for life. You can compound into more shares and then get up to this founder position. And when you get under this founder position, it'll unlock way more earning potential, or you can come in as a founder, whatever you want to do. But they also mine Ethereum, Zcash. We know that BITCLUB network, guys, this is the reason why it's such a good company, is because when you go to the hash rate distribution, watch for Bitcoin. So this is the Bitcoin hash rate distribution. You can see the biggest mining pools of Bitcoin in the world, and BITCLUB network is always on here. It changes from 0.5% to 4.5% of the world's Bitcoin. You don't see Genesis, you don't see Hashflare, and here's one where it shows where they're mining like 5% of the world's Bitcoin, or 3.4%. I took this the other day. So, I mean, they're always mining it. You can visit their facility. You get off that original investment. If you guys were to get in one of these pools, these $500 pools, you mine for 1,000 days, but you can set your compounding from 0 to 100, meaning you don't have to take out all your commissions, and you can work your way up to this founder position. And this is what it looks like. I took a picture of it on mine. And so basically, you just start getting more shares and more mining. So as the difficulty increases, you're basically getting more shares and more equipment. So you're going to be mining for life, and you're going to be keeping up with that Bitcoin difficulty. So, as we start seeing Bitcoin rise to like $30,000, $40,000, $250,000, then we're going to all make a lot of money, guys. So I think get yourself into BITCLUB network. There's a link in the description. Use an IP switcher if you're in the US. You got to use like ANONYMOX. and send over your Bitcoin Cash. Get into this one. I think we're going to see a bull run. This is going to help you get paid in crypto for life. You can make a lot of money. My friend made about 22 Bitcoins from here. Mining profits, you can make about, in like a year, you can probably make like 2 Bitcoin just off mining if you get a founder, if you get up to this founder position. So that's it, guys. That's what I wanted to share for you. Let's hopefully this market goes on the bull run. And that's my prediction. You know, I'm not a financial advisor, but let's all hope that this goes up. Peace out.